Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Eva, and good morning, everyone. We from Group 3 are very happy to welcome you to our presentation today. My name is Azhara Rifana, and I am with my colleagues.
My name is Sintaro Hayati.
My name is Renata Pasaribu.
Today we will be discussing Unit 6 on geometry. Without further ado, let's go through the detail of our presentation. We hope you will find it interesting and informative. Slide yang pertama akan dijelaskan oleh Kak Renata.
Geometry definition. Geometry from the ancient Greek. Geometria, geo, earth, metro. Measurement is a blend of mathematics concurred with notion of shape, size, relative position of vectors, and the properties of space. A mathematics who works in the field of geometry is called a geometer.
By the three mostly controlled basic geometry was put in point as geometry from by Euclid. Was treatment exploded geometry set as standard for many centuries to follow. Archimedes developed ingenious techniques for calculating areas and volumes in many ways and anticipating modern integral calculus. The field of astronomy, especially as in relates to mapping the position of stars and planets on the celestial curve and discovering the relationship between movements of the celestial bodies suffered as an important source of geometric problems during the next 1.5 millennia. In the classic world, both geometry and astronomy were considered to be part of the water medium. A subset of the several liberal arts considered as several for a free citizen.
The introduction of coordinate by René Descartes and the concurrent development of algebra marked a new stage for geometry, since geometry figures such as plane curves could now be expressed initially in the form of functions and equations. This played a key role in the emergence of infinitesimal calculus in the 17th century. Furthermore, the theory of perspective saw that there is more to geometry than just the metric properties of figure. Properties is the origin of project geometry. The subject of geometry was the future enriched by the study of the interesting structure of geometry object that origin with Euler and Gauss and led to the creation of topology and differential geometry.
Exercise 1. Answer the question based of the text above. Jadi kita akan menjawab pertanyaan ini dengan teks di atas. 1. What's the word geometry derived from?
From the ancient Greek, bukan Kak?
Okay. 2. What's geometry?
Answer. A is a blend of mathematics concurrent with notion of shape, size, relative position of figures, and the property of space.
3. What's the function of geometry in mathematics?
For calculating area and the volume in many ways anticipation, modern, integral, and calculus.
Number 4. What do you call a mathematician who works in the field of geometry?
Answer. A mathematics who work in the field of geometry is called a geometer.
Number 5. Who developed ingenious technique for calculating areas and volumes?
Pencetusnya itu Archimedes, bukan sih Kak?
Number 6. Is geometry used in the field astronomy?
Yes, geometry is useful for astronomy.
Selanjutnya, nomor 7. When did the concurrent development of algebra mark a new stage for geometry? Kapan sih perkembangan aljabar secara bersamaan menandai tahapan baru dalam geometri?
The 17th century.
Nomor 8. What does the last paragraph tell about?
When in the detail the decrease of geometry and the development of geometry from the past.
Selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh Kasinta.
Untuk regular polygons, 1. Equilateral triangle, 3 sides angle 60. Dia ada 3 sisi dengan angle 60 derajat. Selanjutnya, 4 sides angle 90. Ada 4 sisi dengan angle 90 derajat. Selanjutnya, regular pentagon, 5 sides angle 108. Ada 5 sisi. Regular hexagon, 6 sides angle 120 dengan 6 sisi. Regular octagon, 8 sides angle 135. Ada 8 sisi dengan sudut 135. Regular decagon, 15 sides angle 144 dengan 10 sisi dengan derajat 144.
Quadrilaterals, 1, where all sides equal, all angles 19 degrees. 2. Rectangle, opposite sides equal or angle 19 degrees. 3. Rhombus, all sides equal to pairs of parallel lengths, opposite angle equal. 4. Parallelogram, opposite side equal to pairs of parallel lengths. 5. Kite, adjacent side equal to congruent angles. 6. Trapezoid, one pair of parallel sides. Terakhir, trapezium, no pairs of parallel sides.
Yang ketiga ada triangles, yaitu segitiga. Yang pertama ada equilateral triangles, have all side equals in length and angle with 60 degrees. Yang dimana itu merupakan segitiga sama sisi, yang semua sisinya sama dan sudut interiornya 60 derajat. Yang kedua ada isosceles triangle, have two equal side and two congruent angles. Yang kedua itu merupakan segitiga sama kaki yang mempunyai dua sisi yang sama dan dua sudut yang kongruen. Yang ketiga ada scalar triangles, no sides or angles are equal. Yang ketiga itu merupakan segitiga berkala atau segitiga tidak sama sisi, yang dimana dia tidak mempunyai atau tidak ada sisi atau sudut yang sama. Yang keempat ada right triangle, one the right angles, itu merupakan segitiga siku-siku yang mempunyai satu sudut siku-siku. Yang kelima ada acute triangle, all angles are acute, yaitu segitiga lancip, semua sudutnya lancip. Yang terakhir ada offside triangle, one offside angles, itu merupakan segitiga lancip yang sudutnya lancip. Ada tetrahedron, have faces 4, edges 6, and faces 4. Yang kedua ada cup, have faces 6, and edges 12, and verticals 8. Yang ketiga ada octahedron, have faces 8, and edges 12, and verticals 6. Yang keempat ada dodecahedron, have faces 12, and edges 30, and verticals 20. Yang terakhir ada icosahedron, have faces 20, and edges 30, and verticals 12.
Selanjutnya, yang pertama, square pyramid, faces 5, edges 8, and vertices 5. 2. Cuboid, faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Number 3. Pentagonal prism, faces 1, edges 50, and vertices 10. 4. Curve, faces 0 or 1, edges 0, vertices 0. Terakhir, number 5. Cone, faces 1 or 2, edges 0 or 1, vertices 0 or 1.
Next, hexagonal pyramid, faces 7, edges 12, verticals 7. Triangular prism, faces 5, edges 9, verticals 6. Decagon prism, faces 8, edges 18, verticals 12. Ellipsoid, faces 0 or 1, edges 0, verticals 0. Cylinder, faces 2 or 3, edges 0 or 2, verticals 0.
C ada struktur. Yang pertama itu ada apical construction with to and so. Untuk to be, IM, is, are, has, were, itu untuk to menggunakan rumus and plus subject plus to be plus to. Sedangkan untuk so menggunakan rumus and plus so plus to be plus subject. Sedangkan untuk sintese dengan auxiliary or modal itu menggunakan rumus and plus subject plus auxiliary or modal plus to. Sedangkan untuk so itu and plus so plus auxiliary or modal plus subject. Sedangkan yang ketiga untuk sentential dengan verb selalu verbal menggunakan rumus am plus subject plus do or does or did plus do. Sedangkan untuk so itu menggunakan rumus am plus so plus do or does plus or did plus subject. Nah, untuk apical contraction with HR dan nature itu negative sense dengan to be, I am, is, are, has, were itu menggunakan rumus am plus subject plus to be plus not plus HR. Sedangkan untuk nature-nya and plus nature plus to be plus subject. Nah, untuk yang kedua essential dengan auxiliary or modalnya menggunakan rumus and plus subject plus auxiliary or modal plus not plus HR. And sedangkan untuk nature-nya kita menggunakan rumus and plus nature plus to be plus subject. Nah, untuk verb selain be, kita bisa menggunakan rumus am plus subject plus do or does or did plus not plus HR. Sedangkan untuk nature, am plus nature plus do or does or did plus subject. Nah, perlu kalian ketahui untuk to dan HR biasanya terletak di akhir kata setelah subject plus to be-nya. Untuk so dan nature itu biasanya terletak di awal setelah am tapi sebelum to be dan subjeknya. Oke, selanjutnya example-nya akan dijelaskan oleh Karenata.
Example, elliptical contraction with do and so. Notice how the following sentences are combined. 1. He went to Singapore by plane. I went to Singapore by plane. He went to Singapore by plane and I did too. He went to Singapore by plane, and so did I. Number 2. Judith is very diligent. Her brother is very diligent. Judith is very diligent, and her brother is too. Judith is very diligent, and so is her brother. Number 3. We may borrow books from the library. They may borrow books from the library. We may borrow books from the library. They may too. We may borrow books from the library, and so may they. Exercise 1. Combine the following sentence by using to and so. Number 1. My sister is taking English course this year. I'm taking an English course this year. My sister is taking an English course this year, and so am I. My sister is taking an English course this year, and I'm too. Number 2. Father likes classical music. Mother likes classical music. Father likes classical music, and so does mother. Father likes classical music, and mother does too. Number 3. Sinta will continue her study at the university. Sari will continue her study at the university. Sinta will continue her study at the university, and so will Sari. Sinta will continue her study at the university, and Sari will too. Number 4. This car belong to him. That car belong to him. This has left for this car belong to him, and so does it. This car belong to him, and it does too. Number 5. She has left for Tokyo. Her family has left for Tokyo. She has left for Tokyo, and so has her family. She has left for Tokyo, and her family has too. Number 6. Dicky tested the exam. Rosa tested the exam. Dicky tested the exam, and so did Rosa. Dicky tested the exam, and Rosa did too. Number 7. I should study harder. You should study harder. I should study harder, and so should you. I should study harder, and you should too.
Nomor 8, Petra and Jenny have to do a lot of homework. We have to do a lot of homework. Itu kita bisa menggunakan dengan to-nya menjadi Petra and Jenny have to do a lot of homework and we do too. Sedangkan untuk so-nya kita menggunakan Petra and Jenny have to do a lot of homework and so do we. Nah, jadi to-nya terletak di akhir dan so-nya terletak di awal sesudah and. Terus nomor 9 itu Sofyan called answer the question. Samsul called answer the question. Kalau untuk to-nya menjadi Sofyan called answer the question and Samsul called to. Untuk so-nya kita bisa menggunakan Sofyan called answer the question and so called Samsul. Yang terakhir, the picture are on the wall. The whiteboard is on the wall. Untuk to-nya kita bisa menggunakan the picture are on the wall and the whiteboard is too. Sedangkan untuk so, kita menggunakan the picture are on the wall and the so is the whiteboard. Next, selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh Kasinta.
Sample elliptical considering with either and neither. Notice how the following sentences are combined. 1. He isn't here now. She isn't here now. Untuk pengurutan kata either dan neither, kita bisa menggunakan either di ujung kalimat dan neither di awal kalimat. Seperti contohnya, jadi he isn't here now and she isn't either. Lalu dengan neither-nya, he isn't here now and neither is she. She is. Lalu contoh kedua, I don't understand the instruction. Tito doesn't understand the intrusion. Contohnya, I don't understand the intrusion and Tito doesn't enter. Jadi di sini ethernya kita pakai di belakang karena ether itu dipakai di belakang dan ether itu dipakai di depan. Lalu kedua adanya ethernya, I don't understand the intrusion and ether does itu. Contoh ketiga, atau three, they haven't finished the work, we haven't finished the work. Atau bisa kita pakai ethernya adalah we haven't finished the work and we haven't ether. Jadi ether itu tetap di belakang dan ether itu tetap di depan. Lalu contoh ethernya, we haven't finished the work and neither have we. Contohnya, kita contohkan di sini. Contoh pertama ada the train did come on time yesterday, the bus didn't come on time yesterday. Saya contohkan untuk nomor pertama, itu kan the train come on time yesterday, the bus did come in on time yesterday. Jadi untuk ethernya, the train did come on time yesterday and the bus did ether. Nah untuk nethernya, the train did come on time yesterday and neither did the bus. Contoh keduanya, the boy does want to argue with the teacher. I don't want to argue with the teacher. Jadi the boy don't want to argue with the teacher and I don't either. Answer untuk nethernya, the boy don't want to argue with the teacher and neither do I. Contoh ketiga ada Mr. Harris Hans moved to Semarang yet. Mr. Harris Hans moved to Semarang. Atau answernya untuk ethernya, Mr. Harris Hans moved to Semarang yet and Mr. Harris has ether. Nah untuk Neither-nya, Mr. Harris has moved to Semarang, and neither has Mr. Harris. Selanjutnya contoh keempat, she is not a hardworking person. Here, younger brother is not a hardworking person. Mungkin kakaknya ada yang mau jawab atau coba untuk jawab. Nomor 4.
Kak, saya izin menjawab. Untuk nomor 4, she is not a hardworking person and younger brother is not a hardworking person. Itu untuk menggunakan neither menjadi he is not a hardworking person and her younger brother is not either. Sedangkan untuk neither itu menjadi she is not a hardworking person and neither is her younger brother. Apakah sudah betul, Kak?
Ya, betul. Jadi, neither tetap di depan dan either di belakang. Yang kebalik. Nah, selanjutnya nomor 5, you sold what TV until late at night. Anton sold what TV until late at night. Nah, ini ada yang bisa jawab untuk penggunaan kata, benda, subjek.
Untuk pemakaian ethernya, you sold what TV until late at night and Anton sold what ether. Untuk pemakaian nethernya, you sold what TV until late at night and neither sold ether. Apakah benar?
Ya, betul. Oke. Selanjutnya, yang siapa? Ini doesn't speak English well. Irma doesn't speak English well. Nah, untuk mana katanya boleh ada yang say?
Saya mohon izin menjawab, Kak. Untuk either mungkin kita bisa menggunakan Rini does not speaking English well and Irma does not either. Sedangkan untuk neither-nya menjadi Rini doesn't not speak English well and neither doesn't Irma.
Ya, selanjutnya nomor I can find my English book. Doni can find my English book. Yang mau jawab?
Untuk pemakaian ethernya, I can find my English book and Donnie can ether. Untuk pemakaian nethernya, I can find my English book and neither can Donnie.
Oke, selanjutnya ada nomor 9. She has never met them before. I have never met them before.
Zahra izin menjawab, Kak. Untuk either kita bisa menggunakan she has never met them before and I have not either. Sedangkan untuk neither kita bisa menggunakan he has never met them before and neither have I.
Boleh. Untuk soal selanjutnya, we are not friends after the picnic. We has not friends after the picnic. Ada yang masih jawab?
Izin menjawab untuk pemakaian ethernya, they were not tried after the picnic and he wants ether. Untuk pemakaian nethernya, they were not tried after the picnic and neither was it.
Oke, teman-teman. Mungkin kita sudah berada di ujung presentasi. Maybe that's all of our presentation today. More or less, we apologize. So long and thank you. And thank you for attention. Terima kasih semuanya.